I am going to tell how to do keyword research for Amazon India affiliate in a shortcut and a rapid fire. This is the second video on my series of keyword research. The last video I told the basics, how you do the keyword research and how the secret I have revealed in the last video. And this is the second video I am telling you how to do keyword research. So while you do the keyword research for Indian Amazon affiliate, the things to be remember, the keyword should include India. Yes, note it down. The first point should be the keyword should include India and keyword should include best and top reviews versus comparison, and the most important thing, the year. Just we are doing the videos in 2019, so it is 2019. Next year it may be 2020, and then 2021, and like that. All the things you have to change the title of the keyword accordingly the years what's in your ears. So the things to be remembered when you do the keyword search for Indian Amazon affiliate to get sales, India best top reviews versus and 2019 or whatever years you might be targeting, like next year it may be 2020, like that. So last video I showed you that I was targeting the Hindi speaking keyword to get sales. Yes, get sales for that keyword. So this is one of the keyword I told you, the best atta chakki machine. Best atta chakki machine in India. You can check that the keyword volume here. As I told in the last video, this is keyword everywhere extension which will give you the search volume, CPC and the competitions, a lot of long tail keywords, whichever keyword you type in the Google. So this is one, and if you want to do the proper keyword research, as I told you, I have included best, the main keyword, core keyword, that is for root keyword, as well as this all are helping keywords and this best atta chakki machine in India. So if you want to do more, you can check like 2018, 19, 2020. This is last year's and all. You have, when I normally put like this, you might have seen it might be, you can check top 10 atta chakki machine in India. These all the websites which are ranking on the top are all the Amazon India affiliate websites, and they are getting sales when you get sales from this buy from this website. So I hope I'm clear from this point of pen. You can check, compare a lot of keywords which are already available. Best floor room machine in India. That's also a good keyword, but I would like to go with Atta Chakki because in India, Hindi speaking keyword, and it will be more and more useful to get sales from that type of keyword, as I already told you last video. So this is the second point, and last point is, as I told you, I use two tools, Keyword Everywhere and paid tool HREF. If you want to use HREF, you can use it. I will show you a basic demo how to use HREF. Just type the keyword whichever I want. As I told you in the last point, India, best, top, whatever, go to an Amazon bestseller. Everyone will tell you go to Amazon bestseller and target that keyword and get out sale of it. But that is not, that is only the basic they will tell. They will not tell the secrets which I am telling you here about, that what all keywords you have to target along with this Amazon bestsellers. You can go and target any keyword here, gardens, outdoor, whatever niche you want to target, you can target from here, like best hit machine, best rat killer machine, anything like best top rat killer machine. Let's check the rat killer machines. Yes, you can check. There are a lot of key people are doing with this as well. Amazon.in and also is there. Let's check with that what I told. Mm, best best rat killer machine, and you got this super Amazon.com website. But if the people search from India, you won't get sale if you get sale from Amazon.com because you are already applied for Amazon India and it's good. So you can type like best electronic machine in India, like already people are searching for this keyword, and you can use this keyword for your next affiliate website as well. So you can see, yes, in front of you I have find a wood, the best keyword for you, and you can check the competition analysis as well. Oh my God, only four results are there, and only 90 people are searching per month. Means it is a 100% guarantee if you write an article about this that killer machine in India, you are going to get sales. That's 100% guarantee from my end. If you write the article properly of 2000 to 5000 words, I assure you will get sales. So in front of you, I have find a keyword for you with the help of Amazon bestseller with my own best top and all things. So I hope I am clear with this. The next point is using an HREF. If you have money, you can buy and you can use that. So I will check use this keyword as I told. I will go with one of my Amazon affiliate website. It might be using this like top data machine in front of you. Let's check. Just copy this URL and just paste, and you will get a lot of results here. And if you want to have use of this HREF, you need to have money. So I don't prefer you. If you have money, you can use it. If you don't use it. So you can check what are the keywords they are ranking for this URL and many things. You can check it. So I hope I am clear from here. I have done all my parts, and I in front of you I find one golden keyword in front of you. Best rat killer machine in India. So thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day. Do like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget, there is a link in description below. If you buy a hosting, I will give you an extra bonus and extra care, extra help to rank your website in Google, Amazon, Avenue, Apple Art, everything I will help you. Thank you for watching your video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.